In this section, we are going to learn about the syntax required for the creation of sequences with their options. The syntax which need to be followed for the creation of sequence is create sequence name followed by increment by n, start with n, min value n or no min value, max value n or no max value, cycle or no cycle, cache n or no cache, order or no order. These options are optional and as per the user requirement we need to add while creating the sequence. Now let's understand what is the significance of these options provided. Increment by, it specifies the internal between the sequence numbers. The value can be positive or negative but never be zero. If the value is positive, it is incremental sequence as it's a decremental sequence. It starts with, it specifies the first sequence to be generated. For ascending sequences, the default value is sequence's minimum value. Min value, it specifies the sequence's minimum value. No min value, it specifies a minimum value of 1 for an ascending sequence and minus 10 to the power 26 for a descending sequence. Max value, it specifies the maximum value that the sequence can generate. No max value, it specifies a maximum value of 10 to the power 27 for an ascending sequence or minus 1 for a descending sequence. Cycle, it specifies whether the sequence continues to generate values after reaching its maximum or minimum value. No cycle, it specifies the sequence cannot generate more values after reaching the targeted limit. Cache, it specifies how many values the Oracle server pre-allocates and keep in memory. No cache, it specifies the values of a sequence are not pre-allocated. If the above parameters are not specified, by default 20 values are cached. Order, it guarantees the sequence number to be generated in the order of request. No order, it does not guarantee the sequence number with order. Points to be remembered while dealing with the sequences. If the discussed parameters are not specified by default, start with will be 1, increment by will be positive 1, sequence will be no cycle, the cache value will be 20 and the sequence is order.